Now in this video we will learn writing and reading a binary file. So as we know that the mode for fclose function to write or to read or to append the text file is rwa and advanced is r plus w plus and a plus. So whenever we are going to deal with binary file, it is replaced by rb, or we can say r plus b. Both are valid in terms of rb and r plus b. Then wb and ab, w plus b or a plus b. So ultimately now your statement function to open a file is file name dot bin, and here you have to provide dot mode with b keyword. This r plus b is also equivalent to rb plus, w plus b is also equivalent to wb plus, and a plus b is also equal to ab plus. Now what are the advantage of binary file? So binary file, normally the file binary file have two advantage or two features. So first is you can jump instantly to the any structure in a file with the help of random access, and you can change the content of structure anywhere in the file at any time. Okay, so these are main two advantage, and for that we have to use binary file. Now normally the binary file are faster in terms of read and write, because the binary image is directly stored from memory to disk or vice versa. But in terms of text file, we have to first convert a data into text, and it will take some time. Okay, so that's why we have to use binary file also for read and write. Now before we go for read and write, we will learn a small concept which is known as record input and output. As we know that the numbers are stored as a sequence of character, not a way that are stored in memory. As a result, it will take a more space. Okay, and it will leads to a read and write issue. Okay, because it is inefficient, it will take some time. So the solution to this problem, that is known as record IO or block IO. Now in order to achieve record or block input output, or in order to read and write into binary file, two functions are used, that is fwrite and fread. So fwrite function will use to write a data into file, fread function will use to read the data from the file. So the syntax, it both function contain four argument. First is array or structure name, that is address with the address, because we need memory. Second is size of array or structure. Third is the element or the number of records that you want to read, and file pointer. So ptr is the address of the array or structure to be written. Size of array of the structure is integer value that shows the size of structure or array that is going to read and write. The number of the structure array is an integer value that indicates the number of arrays and the structure to be write and to be read from file. And fptr is a file pointer that open a file in a binary mode for read or write. Now we will see how to write with using fwrite function. Okay, so normally extension is bin. Okay, we are opening a file read in a which mode, write mode. If any error occur, the value written there is null. Now what we are going to write, we are going to write a num array. So first we are going to take value of num array from user, and then we are going to write in a file that is pointed by f, because f is a file pointer. How many array you want to read? 1. What is the size of num? That is a 10. Okay, because we have taken 0 to 10, so 10 into 2, that is a 20, because integer, and from which, that is the ampersand num. So the data will be write into file pointed by f. Same way, if we want to read a data from file, okay, so we have opened a file in read mode. Okay, if any error occur, it will return null. Okay, then what is the syntax? Ampersand num, size of num 1, and f. Okay, that is a file pointer. How many character, how many value you want to read, size of array, and it will be stored in num, and we are going to print on a screen. Okay,